Alright, in this video I like to show you how to open the casing, the back here, in order to change the battery. So these are some of the tools you need to have. Very tiny screwdriver with a sharp point. I think this is the best. And normally we will open by plying here, but that will damage the side as well as the internal O-ring. So what you should do is here at the side, here or here, but not here. So let me show you. There you go. That's the O-ring. You do not want to damage the O-ring by going on this side. The best location is to go on this corner here, where it will allow much easier opening and therefore no damage to the O-ring. Next, there you go. This is the battery. Check the spec, buy it from Shopee and then replace it. Get the alignment correct, then you can just press. Let me get the alignment correct. Don't force it, gently press it. As you can see, I've done it. Next is the crucial bit. In order to ensure there is water resistance, okay, make sure the O-ring is undamaged. If it is damaged, you need to buy it from Shopee. No worries, they do sell it. Previously, in my own experience, when I try opening from this side, I actually damaged the O-ring. I managed to get the correct spec O-ring and replaced it now. Right, put it inside and then gentle and with strength, or if you want you can put it on the soft mat here. It should go into place. As long as you don't see the orange O-ring color, that means it's already inside and well organized in terms of you can twist and turn and you know it's already in place. And as you can see, the new battery is also working. You can then adjust the time to be accurate to the present time. So that's a simple way to change the battery without relying on a watch expert, which I did last time, and it cost around 20 ringgit, a battery that will last for 1 and 1.5 years. Thank you. I hope it's helpful for you.